Hello, guys, and welcome back to Satya's Inverts. In today's episode, I am going to change the substrate in my Monocentropus balfouri's enclosure. As you can see, the substrate is now just a dry brick. It has lost all its water retention capabilities. This is common in coco peat, and so it's always recommended to basically mix coco peat with topsoil or some clay to help it retain moisture. So let's change the substrate. So before we go about changing the substrate, we need to take the tarantula out of its burrow. Now it really hurts me to destroy this entire network of burrows that she created because it's really cool, but this has to be done and it's for her own sake. So let's look for the tarantula. Now, I've seen many people panic when their tarantula bolts during rehouses. My advice is to do this in an open space so that even if the tarantula runs away, you have plenty of time to react and basically catch the tarantula, and you don't have to worry about the tarantula hiding somewhere. So, after digging for a while, I finally located my Monocentropus balfouri. I'm going to gently poke her out and then I'm going to cup her. See, it was not that difficult. Now let's set up the enclosure. For the new substrate, I will be using 50% coco peat and 50% topsoil. The topsoil will help the coco peat retain its form and moisture, and it will basically prove to be a better substrate in the long run. So guys, this is what the final enclosure looks like. I've made a slope. The slope is about 7 inches deep at its peak. That's plenty of room for the tarantula to burrow in. And I've also made a starter burrow and I've provided some twigs for the tarantula to web up. As you can see, there is no water dish. I've kept this tarantula in this enclosure for about 1.5 years, and she just constantly puts substrate in the water dish and basically flips the water dish. So this tarantula anyways prefers it a bit dry. So I'll just spray the enclosure weekly and that should be enough. Most of the moisture the tarantula will get from its prey. So now let's introduce the tarantula to its enclosure. Okay, let's try that again. I should have known that the tarantula will run up the slope, obviously. So this time I have countermeasures in place and it should be fine. So now let's introduce the tarantula back to its enclosure. So now we let the tarantula settle in, and after a while we'll take a closer look at this tarantula. So guys, this is my Monocentrupus balfouri, also known as the Socotra Island blue baboon tarantula. And as you can see, she is an absolute beauty. Those blues are really prominent on her legs, and she even has some purple in them. The carapace is a nice metallic blue color, and the booty is beautiful. It's got these creamish off-white setae, and it's really fluffy. So I really like that, I guess. And yeah, if you like this video, click on the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. I post every Saturday, and follow me on my Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.